Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today, I hate to say this, but I'm finally getting rid of my wheels. And just to show you guys, I actually put the car back together last night, except for the side skirts. But I pretty much put the front and the rear back on. I actually went on a little cruise yesterday. Shout out to Josh. Chilling with him yesterday as well. Meet up with some people. But I felt like it was right to do one more final cruise with the wheels. And I hate to let them go, but I have to let them go. Me and I are just gonna dismount the wheels, wait for the new owner to come pick it up. He'll make pretty good use of it. I cannot express how sad I feel right now. Like, I woke up today feeling depressed because I'm getting rid of the wheels that I wanted. Like when I first bought the GTR, Advan wheels, automatic. That's just the wheels that I wanted to get. And then it's just stuff happens, and I can't run it anymore. I mean, I could run like a 2.5, 3-inch spacer when I put on the wide body, but that's just not safe. So. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times that made us last. Well, she's in the air. I need to say goodbye. But it's time to say goodbye. Also, I have a question for you guys that's on bags. Is it safe to have the car on jacks and have air in the bag? Or should you air it out when you put the car up, if that makes sense? Yeah, we have no idea. So I figure I'd ask you guys. Drop it down in the comments. Damn. So, wait, hold on. That is meaty. Am I really getting rid of these tires? They're still so good. Look at how much meat there is still on this thing. Why? You have been so good to me, yet I haven't had you for so long. Hands down, my most favorite wheel. I literally, look at that. This is the front, 285. And then this is the back, 325. This is so, guys, what am I doing? I guess while I wait for the new owner to come pick up the wheels, I just want to take the time to say thank you to all you guys watching, and thank you to all you guys that's been supporting me. I know it's a small thing, but we finally reached about 100 something subscribers, and I really want to again try to grow this channel. So if you guys can please do me a favor, hit that like button. Make sure you guys comment something down below. Like what I said from the beginning, it's a huge work in progress, and I'm just gonna take my time doing this, and I'm just gonna try to put out content for you guys. My build, of course, and then also we got island rides coming along. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I put out an island rides video. It's just because I've been trying to figure out so many things at one time, and just like a lot of opportunities just came here and there. Honestly, I'm just thankful for all of you guys watching my channel and, you know, trying to support me in this build. Again, it's just gonna take time, and there's no rush, but my thing is that I just want to take the right steps, and I hope that I can do that. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, drop a comment below. So the new owner of my wheels is actually taking quite a long time, so I figure I make use of the time while I'm waiting for the new owner of my wheels. I'm very sad, I hate to say it, but I'm very sad that I'm letting it go. So I pretty much took care of the front bumper again. I took off the crash bar because I put the crash bar back on. So the front bumper is right here. I am detaching the carbon front lip, so all of the 10mm bolts on the inside is all coming out. Don't mind the car, it's really dirty. As you can see, all that dirt, look at that. Like, ugh. Rear lips already off, everything's out. All I have is the diffuser pan left over. I don't know why, I've been finding a lot of like coffee bean or monkey pod beans or whatever this is, and I don't know how I kicked that up. Also, since I'm back here, I'm thinking about changing the exhaust again. I don't know, I want something. I mean, it's already loud. But I feel like it's time for something different. So my passenger JDM straight pipe exhaust actually might be on sale in the coming weeks, if I can get a good deal on a different exhaust. Since my OCD is kicking in, decided I'm gonna wash all my parts. Even though it's gonna be in storage, they're so atrocious and dirty. Look how immaculate this thing still is. This thing is still good. I mean, granted, you got little scrapey here and there, but for the most part, look at that. Still good, baby. Look at that. It's all still good. See your little reflection. Final look of our Advan GT wheels. It's no longer mine. Time to say goodbye, guys. Okay, bye. Take a look at these beauties, guys. We're back to the stock life. Woo! Oh, I'm so sad right now. All right, let's see what this piece of crap looks like now. Oh my god, it looks so ugly. I hate to say it, but it looks so ugly. What's up, boys and girls? It's Aaron Cam. The lamps inside, ready on the air. Stock wheels. See what she looks like coming down. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Oh my gosh.
Really not bad. Pretty good.
I freaking hate it.
So good.
This looks so ugly. But it's okay. I mean, it's okay.
It's the same fitment.
Yeah, it's the same fitment, but just it's not my Advans.
It doesn't look terrible.
Yeah, it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look bad. All right, I'm ending the video here. I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep. Can't believe I sold my Advans. See you guys in the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great. Make sure you guys make moves in life. Always remember, challenge your standards.